What's poppin', guys? This is Water Dragon, and I'm going to be reacting to top viral videos. Mesmerizing Volcano Eruption. That's just the title, but I've been subscribed to this channel for a while, and they put up different viral videos that happened over a course of time. So, I'm going to see what things I've missed out on. So, let's check this out. By the way, does anyone know the name of that song? Because I've been trying to figure it out. The classic pull another car out of a ditch or snow. Well, isn't that cute? Don't know what the game is called, but yeah. Is that a horse? Run away, horse! Oh, wow. What happened? Oh. I wonder if this person is that's recording is the owner, but I highly doubt it, just based off of them too busy recording and not trying to catch it. Watch out! There you go, slowing down now. Wow. 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 Look at all that. All that lava just completely exploded immediately all over that island. Wow. That is crazy.
Catch. Hold.
I'm going to watch that video again.
Blow. 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 Feeder call, Sonny. Feeder call. Stop. Hail. Stop. Stop. Feeder call, Sonny.
Training that dog to be the duck caller.
Good boy. Good boy.
Where does that cat think that the noise is coming from? What the heck were you trying to do? That laugh though.
How didn't you know? Did you not see the the C-U-M in her mouth?
Well, it's in a little tiny photo on Amazon, so.
Oh my lord.
You got me!
Sure, that's what it is?
Japanese porn! No, it is!
That's what it is.
Girls who make this faces from the porn. Look at this girl. You think she happy? You think she... You think this I can't wear this in public!
Yo, that is funny. Ooh.
Game on. Capito de vaca.
What about the animal? Cookie? What do you want? Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. Denying all those nice treats and wants broccoli. Wow. Parents must be so proud.
No, we're not doing it. You're gonna give me my fucking money back.
Excuse me, sir. There's a young man in here.
Excuse me, it's ma'am. It is ma'am.
I can call the police if you'd like me to. You need to settle down.
You need to settle down and mind your business.
Look at the facial feature. Obviously, if you guys seen my previous video, literally it was just
No, you
after
said
this.
sir.
Now,
Once again, it's ma'am.
listen to that voice.
Right beforehand, you fucking said sir. Motherfucker, take it outside if you want to call
That
me sir
demeanor.
again, I will show you a fucking sir.
I apologize.
Motherfucker.
I apologize now.
I need your corporate number. Because I'm going to call them and talk about how it's misgendered several times in this store.
I apologize for that.
I need your corporate number now.
So what? Like, what are you gonna do about it? That you really think that they're gonna care about one person not coming back to the store?
I'm going to ask you for the 5th time to stop calling me a man. Because quite clearly I am not.
I can't do none of that stuff. Really nice. Oh, yo. I actually thought he was about to fall for a second. Nice. Wait, what happened? He just falls into a tire? What the heck was that?
Ребята, время 7 часов, и в честь свободы интернета, в честь свободы слова запускаю самолет.
Paper airplane?
Вперед, телеграм!
Да ёбаный в рот, блядь, заебали свои телеграммы, блядь! Ай, вашу мать, блядь! Эй! Эй! Эй!
Oh man, what the heck is going on? Alright, that gun shooting was scary. And that scene with the paper airplane, they're just constantly littering for that individual who's working hard, and obviously he's getting pissed. So that's the gist that I've gotten. I think they're making. This is a Tesla Model X. Oh man, I want the Model X so bad. Oh wait, no, it's not the Model X. It's either a Model S or a Model E. Oh, definitely a lot of interesting things, but some of them was like, so-so. That volcano was insane. Usually when volcanoes erupt, it's like just a big explosion sound with a lot of earthquakes and smoke coming out of it. Lava doesn't usually come out until like, later after, unless I'm just thinking wrong about it. But that right there, that was a pure volcano eruption. Lava just spewing out everywhere. I'm gonna say that island, I think that's been watched for quite a while because there have been some detections that it was going to erupt soon, and they try to evacuate everyone out. I didn't really catch up on this story, but I think that I remember that being the same exact scene, that same distance and such. So I think that was it. But wow, that volcano eruption was scary. And if there really was a town there, it would have been gone in seconds. Like, hold on, I'm gonna see this real quick. If there was a town there, it would have been gone in 30 seconds. Based off of that, the video. And obviously it wasn't sped up or anything, it was real life time. 30 seconds, if there was a town in that on that island, the volcano would have destroyed it all within 30 seconds. That is crazy. Yeah, that's what volcanoes are, mesmerizing and like amazing, but they're also super scary. You'll never ever see me near any of that stuff. It's actually one of my biggest fears. For a second, I thought that those people on the boat was calling for help, like their thing died or something like that. But no, that boat just came ramming right into them. Like, why is people not seeing what's going on unless that was on purpose? Yeah, those definitely can be viral. Alright guys, that's it. Comment down below, let me know which one is your favorite video that you liked out of these clips that's been going on. And let's see which one that you thought was possibly not deserved to be in the top viral video. For me, it was cute, but not enough to be viral. The kid with who chose the broccoli over anything. So it was super cute and all this other stuff, but I don't think that was, just in my opinion. So you guys let me know which one shouldn't deserve to be in the viral video. Alright guys, that's it. Please subscribe if you enjoyed my content and to be able to enjoy more of the videos that I'll be posting up in the future, which will be dance videos, reactions, analysis on videos, and challenges. I'll see you next time.